In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up Miro board for project management. To begin, open Miro and go to the board page. If you are starting fresh, you may see a new untitled board on your screen. That is perfect, because a blank board gives you space to build a simple project tracker that your whole team can understand at a glance. Once you are on the board, click into the main canvas area so your cursor is active. Now type the word highlight. This is a quick way to bring focus to the content you are building, and it also helps you label what this board is for. When you add short, clear text like this early on, it keeps the board organized as it grows. If your text appears small or off to the side, just drag it into a clear spot near the top so it reads like a title or header. Next, click on Project. This is where you set the board up for project management instead of general brainstorming. A project-style setup is designed to help you track tasks, show progress, and keep work visible for everyone. As you move into this view, think of your board as a living workspace. It should reflect how your team actually works, not just how it looks. From here, you will typically build out your workflow using common project elements, like columns for phases, sticky notes for tasks, and frames to group related work. Keep task notes short and action-based so they are easy to scan. If you use assignee icons or labels, place them consistently so ownership is clear. It also helps to keep one area of the board reserved for key information, like the current priority items or a quick status summary, so teammates do not have to search for what matters most. As you continue setting up, remember that the goal is clarity. Space items out, align them neatly, and keep naming consistent. A clean layout makes real-time collaboration smoother and reduces confusion during updates. And that is all there is to it.